What's up everybody? In this video I will be showing you the best way to earn more coins in Hamster Kombat. So that is very simple. All you have to do is to follow this video till the end. So first thing is that you can smash that little cute hamster by just tapping on it. Anyways, that will get you some points, but that is not how you can get more points. So for doing that, all you have to do is to complete daily cipher challenges, so daily combo challenges, and then your daily rewards. In order to do so, what you are aiming to do is to increase your per hour profit. For that, there are multiple badges, games, and other stuff that you can do in order to increase your or profit per hour. So let me remind you one thing, that the more you have a total asset of coins in your account, the more the profit ratio will be. So you can complete challenges by going to daily rewards, then daily combo challenges, then the last resort is by playing the game. So one of the game that I really like is sort hexagon tile stack and get more coins. So by playing this game, you can get coins and enjoy playing the game as well. So this is one of my favorite games out there, and it is really simple to play. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel and give a big thumbs up to the video. Take care until the next video. Bye bye.